Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Automatic the Wholesale Car Accessories. Today we are replacing halogen with LED with very popular company My TVS 150 watt, which is more powerful and brighter than other. So before you, this is the differences if you compare with the halogen, high beam and low beam. Look, and this is the whole process in front of you, in which there is no need to do any kind of wire cutting anywhere. Coupler to coupler work will be done everywhere, and our technician doing it in front of you. The whole process of installing is going on in this video, and see how our technician doing it in a better way. And now very soon the installing process completed, and see the differences of light. If you compare the halogen with the LED, you can see the huge differences in light. And very soon now you can see the sharpness and brightness of LED which is installed in Artiga. Now you can see this is in front of you, how the sharp is light. This is high and this is low beam. So finally friends, if you are interested, then must visit our shop Automatic the Wholesale Car Accessories near Saguna Khagol Road, Patna, where each and everything related to car accessories you got in wholesale and budget friendly, packet friendly rate. So must visit in our shop Automatic the Wholesale Car Accessories. So that's it for today. See you soon in the next video with the new update. Till then, be happy, be healthy. Jai Hind.